I'm going to show you how I use this facial clear lotion. This is sort of SK2's version of a toner. As you can see, I love this product. I actually decant it into like a little dropper bottle, which you can use to drop it onto some cotton pads. I usually use 2 cotton pads, so just drop that in there. So I use 1 cotton pad for my face and 1 for my neck. It does a really good job of getting rid of any excess dirt that you still have on your skin that might still be there even though you have showered, even though you have washed your face. You know, it does help get rid of those excess stuff, and then it also creates like a nice ready base for you to put the rest of your skincare on, because it opens up your pores. And right after that, I will actually spritz this. This is decanted from this baby here, which is the facial treatment essence. This is their, I think, Christmas packaging for 2020. So I've again decanted it into this little spray bottle. My best friend Vinci taught me this trick. So instead of having it being soaked into your hands, they are all applied onto your face.